think burping and farting should be more normalized in public. Like, just let that shit rip, bro. Burp. Like, that shit's so beautiful. It's so natural. I love being gassy. It's like, it's such a great feeling. Other people should experience it too. They should enjoy your gassiness and just toot, bro. Like, tooting is fun. I love tooting. It's like, toot in front of my face and I'll enjoy it. It's like the aromas, the pheromones. I don't know if I said that right. The hormones. I don't think that's correct either. But just, bro, like, that shit should be more common and normalized. It's such a normal thing to do.